Welcome to Modus's Organizational Change Management Workbench solution. We will be showcasing the capability of our OCM methodology, utilizing our solution for managing and storing all OCM tools and templates. Modus allows us to quickly deploy new OCM workbenches, manage multiple OCM workbenches, and create intelligence through dashboards, engagement hubs, and surveys, which are crucial for delivering successful change projects. Let's begin by running through the key aspects of our offering and start by looking at our OCM methodology. Utilizing our capable change framework as the backbone structure for executing OCM workbenches ensures a systematic approach to managing OCM projects where all our tools, templates, and instructions are managed centrally, readily accessible, and ensuring consistency across all instances. The OCM methodology is a structured approach that ensures our transition to new processes and tools is smooth and effective. By following this methodology, we aim to minimize disruptions and mess. Templates we implement. Once we have completed the OCM methodology, we now unlock the OCM capability, where we store all of the digitalized tools and templates needed to run the OCM method. For example, stakeholder analysis has a predefined template, instructions, documents, and out-of-the-box reports that unlock the entire tools and methodology to deliver stakeholder analysis effectively. To manage change, we have an extensive library of templates, which form the basis for us to build our project workbench. The project workbench is an area where we can set up change projects quickly with a predefined template. We manage that via a front-end interface, selecting the right artifacts and set up the structure to meet the program brief. So in this project, for instance, where we have various waves to deliver the change with Wave 1 change for France and Wave 2 for the Netherlands and Belgium and so on. We can set up several workbenches. Each workbench will bring in the entire framework of the OCM methodology with predefined assets. These will have the right templates in the right methodology for teams to execute the change projects in a structured way. In addition, we can access automated reporting across all key dimensions, including planning, budgeting, progress tracking, updating, providing real-time visibility according to individual and team requirements. These reports are out of the box, but can be tailored to specific content or style. By way of example, the stakeholder analysis shows all changes impacting each stakeholder. We can also capture stakeholder strengths and challenges, which allow us to deliver better change. Similarly, we have our adoption survey. These adoption surveys can be run multiple times, every quarter or even every month. This allows us to understand how the change is being adopted by the business. We can structure and present the data in various ways, such as functional areas and teams. This gives us the visibility to target and improve adoption with various teams and team members. Similarly, if we look at the change readiness survey, before we commence any change milestone delivery, we are able to assess how ready the team is to onboard the change and what we need to focus on to accelerate engagement, identify any bottlenecks, and pursue change adoption. Another capability in Modus is understanding and overlaying the OCM change impact on the value chain. The identification of where geographical and technological changes interacts with the operational value chain and hence the OCM implications can be readily mapped to the Modus value chain template. It is possible to visualize a value chain framework for the entire operation end-to-end. We bring together change impact analysis through interactive dashboards. This can be done through surveys and used continuously to understand change impacts across the end-to-end value chain to manage change better. We have unlocked AI capabilities. Introducing the OCM Intelligence Dashboard. This gives the capability for anyone in the team to interact and understand the key aspects of Change OCM Workbench. We can see what's happening in a day, a week, or a month. All reports are listed in the dashboard and it can automatically alert on various OCM tasks. All OCM Workbench reports can also be seen via dashboard interface. We have unlocked the capability of AI and then we have integrated to work with the OCM project. We can ask various queries like tell me about the change project and it will give responses. It can also provide details on key stakeholders, communication, etc. we even can go ahead and do complex queries like show me the bottleneck for delivering change. It will give a response, a list where it'll ask whether what sort of workbench assets do you want to evaluate on. You can select some key assets here. I'm selecting I want to know about the bottleneck of change on issue logs, and when I submit, we get a response where it goes and collects everything that is there in the issue log which is open, which has to be completed to unlock the change and drive things forward. So this allows users, especially stakeholders or key users, without even interacting with the workbench to work on the intelligence dashboard. Another key aspect is our OCM news, which pulls key information that has to be displayed for various roles or teams, and this capability comes from our back-end module of Engagement Hub. The Intelligent Dashboard is where we bring together the comms and the Engagement Hub. This brings in key functionalities, delivering the right message to the right audience at the right time. This intelligence works through our Engagement Hub. Sitting behind is the Engagement Hub portal, where we have the capability of building out various team-related communications to understand what is happening in the program, the portfolio, or even introducing the various teams. We have an option to unlock that using our Engagement Hub. We have capability to understand what is going on in the business, drive a quick poll survey and make decisions, and also go through more in depth of the change workbench from the Engagement Hub. Now the Engagement Hub can act as a change window based on the needs of the business team, and also has the capability to support various languages as an out-of-the-box functionality adjustable to regional preferences. In summary, this gives you an overall view of our OCM capability in Modus, covering the methodology, the ability to unlock workbenches, and the portfolio capability which unlocks various workbenches. The portfolio capability allows us to have all of these workbenches in a central place. We also have a reporting dashboard that provides visibility into the journey of these workbench changes, offering an overall summary. This can be tailored to each stakeholder or team member so that the focus area for change is delivered via the portfolio itself. The portfolio allows us to bring multiple projects into a single dashboard view. This summarizes our OCM workbench in Modus.